And China has never shown that it's prepared to value anything above maintaining the existence of the client regime it has in Korea, because it does not want, the one thing it will not accept is a united Korea run by the South, which in fact could possibly be nuclear. And thus it tolerates, it supports, it subsidizes this insane regime has and will continue to. But I don't quite agree that everyone knows, including Pyongyang, how we would respond. It's not at all clear that we would respond to say, look, 2 years ago, they attacked an island in South Korea. They all of a sudden opened up with artillery. They killed civilians on the island, and there was almost no response, which actually hurt the government in the South because there was no
But they have a new president who supposedly is more conservative.
I understand, says. But she herself is untested. She's a new president, the daughter of a previous one with no real experience. So I'm not sure anybody knows. It could be that we would have a very limited response. There's not going to be a nuclear attack because it doesn't have a way to make a small weapon that could be delivered on a missile. But if there's a conventional attack, it could be that we will not respond at all, or there'll be simply a response that will be proportional, which means it'll be useless.